Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick review, swatch, and tutorial on the NARS Orgasm Afterglow Lip Balm. Now here's the packaging. It's very chic, beautiful, metallic, almost rose gold metallic, and it is so beautiful in my opinion. It's such a great size. You get 0.1 ounces of product for $28, and what it is the Orgasm shade, the original blush shade in lip balm form, and it's described as a peachy pink with golden shimmer shade. It has a satin finish, as you can see on the back of my hand, and now I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my lips. I do, for reference, have dry to normal skin. I have medium to tan olive skin. I have lots of imperfections, so don't knock me on my dry skin and dry lips and natural lips, but here it is very up close, and it definitely gave me a tint. Also, it definitely moisturized my lips, and I'm very excited about this. It's almost one of those beautiful products that you don't want to touch, but it works so well. I also want to mention that it has a monohydrating complex, which provides long-lasting hydration for smooth, supple comfort, as a blend of antioxidants, which provides daily protection against environmental aggressors. You can use this also slightly on the cheeks for a subtle highlight, and it is free of parabens and contains less than 1% of synthetic fragrances. So that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. This is what it looks like on my skin tone. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye guys!